हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू IFAS यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज निशा खत्री। तो आज एक और स्टूडेंट हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं जिन्होंने CSIR नेट JRF अपना क्वालिफाई कर लिया है। सो हेलो।
Hello,
सो ओके, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
myself Venkataswamy. I am from Telangana. I have done my masters from NIT Manipur.
ओके
Now, currently I am doing as a project associate in CSIR ICT Hyderabad. That's about me.
अच्छा, एंड वेंकट स्वामी जी, व्हाट इज योर रैंक?
111 minutes.
अच्छा, ओके, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। So, Venkat Swami ji, please tell our viewers, when did you start the preparation and what was your strategy while preparing for this exam?
Actually, I was preparing from last 2024, madam.
Okay.
From in 2024 December, I actually cleared the net. Like LS.
Yeah.
Then that time I didn't take any this test series and the other coaching.
Acha, you
That
didn't
was
follow
my
the coaching and test series at that time.
at
Okay.
that time. Then after I written in June 2025 also, but I didn't get the LS as well.
Okay.
So I want to take any test series actually.
Okay.
So I have taken. I have mainly I focused on organic and inorganic, and mainly previous year questions whatever in series they shown. Like that my preparation was.
Acha, so you highlighted that you mainly focused on organic and inorganic. So did you skip
Uh,
the physical chemistry whole or few topics
no,
you
no,
did?
no. In physical also I chosen like solid state and group theory and
Okay.
surface chemistry.
Okay.
This
So,
only I
acha,
come.
so you just select the topics from physical
Yes,
chemistry
yes.
according to your understanding.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell our viewers, because you just highlighted that during your first attempt you didn't go for test series. So just tell our viewers how the test series help you for CSR exam.
In that, the explanation is very clear. We can easily understandable way. So and also that one also helped me a lot to solve the questions. And after that, we can analyze what we have made a mistake in that. So it will be help me very much. It was helping me very much.
Acha. So can you tell our viewers how was your revision strategy?
Revision. Actually, I have prepared the short notes as well while preparing the notes. With that, I revised daily, like
Okay, so you just selected the topics and you were revising very frequently. Is
yes,
that what you want to say?
yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. And can you just tell our viewers, because in your first attempt you just cracked the LS, and then in second attempt LS was not also
I
possible for you. So what
yes,
were
yes.
the mistakes you did in your previous attempts and how you rectified and corrected it?
It mainly I want to say I attempted more. Whatever I don't know, also I attempted like 1:2 like that. Madam. The the option I eliminated in the in this December. So that's it.
Okay, so did you just use the elimination method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what was your last month strategy?
Last month that is the only reason I mean previous PYQs and That is then only I did.
Okay. So, what is your favorite subject among the three topics? Physical, inorganic, and organic.
Organic.
Okay, so you like the organic. You did the organic whole or just few high weightage topics?
Well, I made all men
Acha.
inorganic. I didn't skip any topic.
Acha. In inorganic also you did everything?
Same. Yes, madam. I did everything.
Acha. So did you touch the quantum chemistry from physical chemistry?
No, quantum actually I didn't. When I skipped that quantum
Acha.
because I am my background is from
Bio.
IPC background in my plus two.
Okay.
So the mathematical calculation,
Okay.
that's
So,
why I skipped that one.
so we have so many
Quantum.
students who had the same problem, who faced the same problem that like they don't like maths, they didn't know mathematics at all. So, what is the piece of advice you will give them while preparing?
By preparing, you need to select the topics like whatever the weightage was more. So you have to choose and go through it and like mainly you need to focus on previous year questions are there. Revision is must in every day. It will be help.
Okay. And
That's what
you just did a few topics from physical chemistry. So you only focused on theoretical part of physical chemistry, or you also did the question practice and numerical practice from that topics?
question practice.
Acha. So it took you a lot of time because you have a biology background.
In plus two, I don't understand. That's why I skip many physical topics.
Okay. So thank you so much, Venkataswamy ji. It's very lovely
Thank you,
talking
madam.
to you, and all the best. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much.